7 AI side hustles you can start in 2026. No experience. If you think making money with AI is complicated, this video might change your mind. Because today, I'm going to show you 7 AI side hustles that you can start in 2026. Even if you have zero experience, no skills, and no investment. These are real methods people are already using to earn money online. And the best part? Most of them can be started with free tools. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last side hustle has the highest income potential. Let's get started. Side hustle number 1. AI content writing. The first AI side hustle is content writing. With AI tools, you can create blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and social media content in minutes. You can offer these services on freelancing platforms or even reach out to small businesses that need content. Many beginners are making money by simply generating content with AI and editing it slightly before delivering. This is one of the easiest ways to start because it requires no technical skills and almost zero investment. Side hustle number 2. AI YouTube automation. The second side hustle is YouTube automation using AI. This means creating faceless videos using AI voice, stock footage, and simple editing tools like CapCut. You don't need to show your face or record your voice. You can create videos on topics like finance, motivation, tech, or AI, just like this channel. Once your channel grows, you can earn money through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. This method takes time, but it has huge long-term potential. Side hustle number 3. AI graphic design. The third side hustle is AI graphic design. AI tools can now generate logos, thumbnails, social media posts, and even branding kits. You can sell these designs on Fiverr or offer services to small businesses and content creators. Even if you're not a designer, AI can help you create professional-looking designs quickly. This is a great option if you enjoy creative work. Side hustle number 4. AI chatbot services. The fourth side hustle is building AI chatbots. Businesses need chatbots for customer support, lead generation, and automation. You can use AI tools to create simple chatbots and sell them as a service. Many small businesses are willing to pay monthly for automation. This side hustle has high income potential, but it requires a little learning at the beginning. Side hustle number 5. AI voiceover services. The fifth side hustle is AI voiceover. You can use AI voice tools to create voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, audiobooks, and more. Then you can sell these services online. Many content creators don't want to use their own voice, so they look for affordable voiceover options. This is a simple and scalable way to earn money. Side hustle number 6. AI social media management. The sixth side hustle is managing social media accounts using AI. You can use AI to generate posts, captions, hashtags, and even schedule content automatically. Small businesses are always looking for people to manage their social media. You can charge monthly fees for this service. This is a great way to build recurring income. Side hustle number 7. AI affiliate marketing. The last side hustle is AI-powered affiliate marketing. You can create content using AI, blogs, videos, or social media posts, and promote products using affiliate links. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. This method doesn't require you to create your own product. It takes time to grow, but once it works, it can become passive income. Final thoughts. These are 7 AI side hustles you can start right now, even if you're a complete beginner. You don't need to do all of them. Just pick one, focus on it, and stay consistent. AI is not magic, but if you use it the right way, it can help you build real income online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI tools, side hustles, and online income strategies. See you in the next video.